The Speakable team is really excited to announce the release of student portfolios. Um, Last year, we introduced free response activities on Speakable for both speaking and writing, and quickly added to those the ability to automatically estimate students' proficiency levels based on WIDA or ACTFL standards. One of the requests that we got from a lot of our customers and users since the release of that was the ability to see students' performance based on those standards over time. So, student portfolios is the first step in our analytics platform to aggregate those student proficiency levels and show them over time. So what this gives you the ability to do is to go through a list of students, click into each student, and see how they're trending over time. So here we have Santiago, and we're looking at his estimated WIDA levels for all of his free response activities for the last 3 months. We can break this down by speaking, or we can dig into his writing. Now, here we're seeing his last 30-day average. So over the last 30 rolling days, his average WIDA level is 2.5. It's actually down a little bit from the prior period. And in this chart, you can get a quick glance here. This is showing us the range and then the median of those responses. But at a glance, we can tell that Santiago's gotten a little stagnant. His abilities aren't growing here. And this is really useful information because we're getting it on a very frequent basis, and that allows us to take action very quickly. And in order to start creating an action plan, we have all of Santi's responses down below here. So we can dig in and say, okay, what kind of language is Santiago using in these recordings? Is there maybe a way for us to introduce more academic vocabulary to him, or are there grammar issues? We can dig into that here very quickly and see his results. Now, if his abilities were growing and we wanted to say, hey, let's share this chart with Santiago because it's going up each month and we want to help him celebrate his progress, we can download this report and share it with him. So this can be for either WIDA for English learners or ACTFL for world languages. We also have the ability to create custom standards to estimate proficiency levels based on customer requests. So if you're interested, this is live and available now as of December 8th, 2024. So if you're interested, let us know and we can set up a preview of what this would look like for your organization and provide some more information. Thank you. Bye-bye.